right, I made it to camp. It's currently very hot. It says 90 degrees, but we're supposed to have a shower or rain in 29 minutes, half an hour. So let's start setting up, and if that shower or rain comes in, I might jump in it. Well, I might get lucky. It started sprinkling a little bit, and I'm waiting in here so I can change really quick, and then I'll jump in the rain if it starts raining really hard. But I doubt it. We really need it. I did take a shower yesterday, so I'm good in that area, but I love taking rain showers. If I will be so lucky. Camp is set. This is the amount of setting up camp that I need for this trip. I might be setting up some more stuff tomorrow because I'm gonna take the rest of the day off, relax a bit, and we'll pick it up tomorrow morning. We're gonna see some other things, maybe we go for a hike, who knows. See you tomorrow. Hurry, we're going on a hike. I have a new hiking bag. A company called Tolasea sent this to me to try out, and that's what I'm gonna do. And pack it up with the things that I need, and we'll go explore a little bit in the morning before it gets super hot. Let's get some water going. I have a lot of greens because it's summer, so water is buried in there. Sparkling water, I should say. And I also have a lot of pre-made food, because sometimes I'm in a hurry. The fridge has been holding up pretty good. It's all in fridge mode. I tried to do the fridge freezer mode. It's just not enough room. Now I just have this cooler that folds for the cervezas when I go camping. And I just buy some ice, throw some of that on top of it, and we're good to go. The old style type. The ice is melted. In these backpacks, I gotta remove the little bottom thing. And then it fits just fine. I think I'm gonna bring my extra tripod just in case. There we go. I would normally bring some snacks if it was a really long hike, but this is gonna be just see the sunrise, which has risen already. But we'll see what we can find. It's just not gonna be a very long hike. I'm actually gonna put these on so I can go outside to go in the back of the van underneath the bed to get my actual hiking shoes. Look at that. Look at that sky. Isn't that crazy? Look at that thing. Whatever they're doing with it. That's a Volvo.
With open arms, I'll carry yours. Come, rain or shine, I'll cover you up and calm the skies.
First sign of wildlife. If this buddy's over there chilling, I feel like we're safe.
Need me, you can count on it every time. It won't always be easy.
What is that in front of us there? I think that's the water tower. Yeah, look at that. It's not completely full, but from up here, we have a little vista view. And there's a bench, look at that.
I'll be there when you need me.
The bugs are starting to come out a bit, so perfect for a morning movement in a tiny hike. I wasn't expecting this view, but it's incredible. It is almost 8:30 in the morning. Bugs are gonna start coming out, which I'm pretty surprised they haven't already. And also, it's gonna get hot. So I'll meet you back at the van because it's coffee time. There she is, home sweet home. Oh, gotta be quick. Because the bugs really love to come in here. You know, I really love this little home of mine. I can spread out when I camp as much as I want, or not at all. It's self-contained, and I'm not missing anything. If anything, I'm gaining views and mornings like these. There's something to be said. If you want to be happy, you can choose to be happy and do it any way you want. This is how I chose to do it, and I'm loving it. Well, this smells pretty good, but I better eat it fast before the bugs start smelling it, because it smells good. Quick avocado toast, pulled out my cast irons. I like to do that once in a while when I'm camping, because I love cooking on cast iron. It does a very good job at toasting the bread and making the egg.